Raise your hand if you know how to maintain our environment sustainable. No? Okay, don't worry. I will tell you how to maintain our environment sustainable. Watch the video till end. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Environmental Vibes. Today we will discuss the responsibility of an individual for a sustainable environment. So the first question rises in your mind that what is the sustainable living? Sustainable living involves reducing the amount of Earth's resources that you use to help protect it. There are a number of ways you can do this, including limiting the amount of energy products and changing your diet. But I will talk more about that later. In a nutshell, to live in sustainable lifestyle, you should try to have as little as an impact on the earth as possible. The second question rises in our mind that why is living sustainable important? At the moment we are producing resources, using energy and creating waste at the rate which is not sustainable. This leads to environmental issues such as pollution, climate change, which cause harm to our environment, wildlife, and humans. By making some small changes to your lifestyle, you can reduce your carbon footprint and help to reduce to take these issues. Now, how to live a more sustainable lifestyle? If you want to live a more sustainable lifestyle but don't know how, try following some of these steps. Number first is save energy. By using less energy, you can help to reduce carbon emission. There are a number of ways you can save energy at home, including switching off standby appliances, turning your heating down, and hanging clothes to dry instead of using a dryer. The second one is eat less meat. The production of meat is one of the biggest contributor to climate change and the pollution of landscape and waterways. By eating less of it, you can help to reduce the impact the meat industry has on the earth. The third one is use reusable alternatives. Single-use products, particularly plastic ones, tend to end up in landfill and the ocean, causing harm to wildlife and the environment. Prevent this by choosing to use reusable and eco-friendly alternatives instead. Next one is go paperless. To avoid wasting paper, you choose to receive letters over email and only print off documents if necessary. You could also ask shops to email you your receipt instead of printing it off. Number 5 is use renewable energy. If possible, consider powering your home using renewable energy to reduce the amount of carbon emission you produce. Number 6 is recycle and reuse. Make sure you are recycling by putting your rubbish into correct bins. Also try to reuse products and items as many times as possible before burning them to reduce waste. Number 7 is grow your own produce. By growing your own fruit and vegetables, you can ensure you are not using pesticides that will contribute to water and air pollution. This will also help to reduce the amount fossil fuels used to transport produce to supermarket. Number 8 is donate unused items. If you don't use a product or wear a piece of clothing anymore, give it to a charity shop or someone else you know would make use of it to help reduce waste. Next one is save water. You can save water by making a number of small changes to installing a water butt and making use of grey water to avoid wasting drinking water. Number 10 is buy fair trade products. When a product has been fair trade certified, it means it has been product by a company committed to sustainable production. Keep an eye out for the fair trade mark on the packaging of products you buy. Number 11, drive less. Walk or drive a bike to your destination instead of driving if it's close enough. It's better for the environment and for your health. Using public transport is another good way to help reduce greenhouse gases emission. Number 12 is don't waste food. If you have leftovers, don't throw them away. Save them for your lunch or tea for the next day, or even freeze them. However, if they do go off, use them to create compost for your garden. The next one is wear sustainable clothing. The fashion industry is one of the main polluting industry in the world. To lessen the impact this industry has on the planet, you could buy more of your clothes from charity shops and sustainable outlets. Number 14 is use eco-friendly cleaning products. Some cleaning products contain chemicals that can be harmful to the environment. By committing using green or eco-friendly cleaning products, you can help to prevent these chemicals from having a negative impact on the earth. And one thing more, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Like, comment and share my video. See you in the next video. Inshallah. Goodbye.